Just arrived at Barmouth, just going for a wander along the beach. Some nice mountainous views over there. That dog's having fun.
I was looking at it thinking, do you know, there's some interesting places to busy camp over here.
Yeah. Have you found it yet?
Yeah.
Do you know what, Carl? I really think you should give up this geocaching larks. It takes you ages to find stuff.
Found it.
Have you? Yeah. What do you think, Nate? Nate, what do you think? Yes, me too. Not sure I want to go to that pizzeria. We've arrived at the campsite. I say we've arrived. So the last 2 days we decided to do go glamping, and I wouldn't really call it glamping per se. We have got a pod, which is actually not too far from the sea. However, the pod it's not what you'd expect to go glamping in. When I say expect, as in we expected there to be stuff inside it, but it isn't, it's empty. But it doesn't matter. At least I won't have to be cramped into the old Volvo with Pooch. Nicking the sleeping bag and sleeping that way, leaving me with no room. So I'm just going to chill out for a bit. Right, I am about to cook a classic chili con carne. I call it a classic, it's not with regards to this. However, I'm going to stick it with some basmati rice. Chili con carne, incidentally, isn't Mexican. It's a Tex-Mex dish from
Texas and Mexico.
San Antonio, Texas.
From Texaco.
From Texaco.
It's well oiled.
It is. chili. Oops. Just spat a bit. Burgers a la Yorkshire pudding. How'll it be?
Fat. Fat burgers.
Fat burgers.
I wonder what a Welsh breakfast is.
Well, apparently you put cockles on it.
Cockles? On what?
Bacon and stuff. See if I can find it for sure. But it was a bit weird. I saw Adam doing it. Mr. Wild Wales. And he said, yeah, he called it Welsh breakfast.
A Welsh breakfast.
Welsh breakfast. No, you don't say that in this one. I think that's just Adam being a weirdo. It looks like an English breakfast. It smells like an English breakfast, but wait a minute. Behold, the full Welsh breakfast complete with Welsh bacon, Welsh sausages, and the all-important Penclod cockle. Oh, the cockle, yeah. And lava bread cake.
Lava bread cake.
Yeah. Penclod cockles and lava bread cake.
When you say Penclod, is it a double D?
Yeah.
That's TH.
Right.
Penclod.
Pencloth cockles.
Yeah.
And lava bread cake. This particular culinary delight is standard fare for those eating breakfast in the Ferry Hill Hotel.
Cockles?
Yeah.
I wonder what one got them to go surf and turf.
Yeah.
That is bizarre.
Because it's not a flavour combo you can imagine working very well.
No.
And like I said to Adam, I said, I'm a coastal boy. I said, I love seafood, but I said, I won't stick it on bacon.
Mm. Hello. You okay?
More, 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 more. More love, more love. When she's been asleep, she does walk a lot like an old lady, doesn't she, while she gets the circulation going?
Yeah.
She kind of totters. How's it back to me my turn? Oi! That was very close and cheeky. Cheeky little monkey. No, lay down. You've been underneath. You little bugger. I want to get right in where it's really warm. You're licking my legs now. Thank you for letting me in.
Because that's all she's licking.
Today, we're not going to do a lot. We're just going to chill out. Maybe have a wander down to the beach. Carl wants to do some more geocaching. But it'll get neater to stretch your legs. Have a wander along the beach. Maybe allow her in the sea if she'll go in. But actually slept pretty well last night, which was good, wasn't it?
It was good, yeah.
So yeah, we've travelled about 500 miles in 5 days, which obviously isn't a lot to some people, but you know, you're on a holiday for a week, that's 100 miles a day. It's time to chill for the last day.
It's not just that, is it? It's the looking for somewhere to sleep when you're doing this kind of off-grid.
Yeah.
A little bit off-grid.
Yeah. Because we didn't really have any plans per se, apart from we will go here and see what's...
See where we can see if we can find somewhere to park up
Yeah.
for the night. Yeah.
And bar the Anglesey incident, we've done pretty well.
We've done pretty well. Yeah. Yeah, we have. Very well.
You having a nice sunbathe there, Pooch? Yes. Yes. What's happened with your lip? Come here. What are you doing here? That's it. Sorry. There you go. Don't look like you're scowling at us. Yes. Good lad. Bit harsh that there's an entrance for slow children. Come on. Thanks.
The tide's going out.
Yeah.
You know, he goes on about me geocaching, but then he disappears into a shop. And I'm not kidding, he just leaves me outside here with... for hours. Hours, I tell you.
So it's our last night tonight. It's 7:27
nearly.
7:27, nearly 7:30, and we've just eaten. Had some. Have you still got any of that other Welsh cake?
Yeah, the Fruit Loaf one. Yeah.
That's better than that. Just had some. Some of that. Not particularly great, the other one was better. But anyway, it's the end of our holiday. And we get a good view. It might not show up as well on camera, but certainly the sunset was epic. We've got moon over there, partly. And it looks like a clear night for some stargazing. We will see. Anyway, back to it. What a mess.
Bye bye, pod.
Goodbye, pod. Thank you for having us. So that's the end of our holidays. Don't know how it's made me tear up. Stupid old sod. It has been fun. A hell of a lot of laughs. A lot of snoring, especially from him, Carl. A lot of farting from Carl. God, I don't know what he's been eating. So yeah, just going to go down to the beach and grab a stone. For some particular reason. Got to drop the keys off first, so ain't neat.